Hi, I'm Katsumi. Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is SHIRAAE toast salad with mashed tofu. Yay! SHIRAAE is a type of salad. The main ingredient is tofu, known as a healthy food all over the world. We Japanese still have a short history of eating meat. For about 160 years, soy products such as tofu and natto have been valued as a source of protein as same as fish. Even to this day, tofu is a convenient food that can be eaten with no cook, no waste, and save the time. And if you can add a little extra work, it's easy to upgrade to SHIRAAE from plain tofu. The extra little work is mashing the tofu and adding the sesame paste. Just only that, you can get a well-balanced nutritional meal with the protein from the tofu, the essential fatty acid and antioxidant from the sesame seed, and the vitamins from the vegetables you mix in. Instead of vegetables, you can mix fruit into the SHIRAAE. Though the fruit SHIRAAE looks stylish and modern arrangement, but it's also one of the traditional recipes. I'll show you how to make the basic SHIRAAE in the first half of today, and in the second half, I'll tell you my favorite veggies and fruit for SHIRAAE. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I share a lot of tips about halal Japanese cooking recipes. I hope my recipe help you to be healthy and enjoy it with your family. Please see more information below if you need. Ingredients of SHIRAAE sauce are tofu, sesame paste, miso, sugar, salt, and dashi broth. Just for your information about tofu, there are roughly two types of tofu in Japan. Very soft one and slightly firm one. I usually use soft one, but you can choose either type of tofu. Because we mash the tofu later, so any type of tofu is available. At first, we should drain the tofu. There are several ways to drain tofu. Wrap the tofu with paper and wait for a while, or boil or microwave the tofu and press with spatula. I like the method of boiling tofu, so I'll show you how to do it. Put water and tofu in the pot and boil 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, enough. Then we drain and press the tofu with a spatula. You can pinch the tofu. It's enough. From now on, we are going to mash tofu. Seasoned with sesame paste, miso, sugar, and salt. Can we add sesame paste? Miso, sugar, then wait for salt. Mix first, then add dashi broth until it's going to be a bread spread. Okay, maybe enough. Mashed tofu become fluffy. Good condition. So you should check the taste. I think no need to add salt. If you want, add 1 pinch of salt, but don't make it salty. Okay? Mashed tofu sauce has done already. According to the traditional recipe, they often use lightly seasoned vegetables to make shiraae. So I'll simmer bamboo shoot that's in season, carrot, and HIJIKI seaweed today. Ingredients simmered veggie inside the shiraae are bamboo shoot, carrot, dried HIJIKI seaweed. Seasonings are soy sauce, sugar, and dashi broth. Chop the carrot into matchstick size. Chop the bamboo shoot into bite size. I've soaked hijiki in the water and now going to drain. Put dashi broth and all ingredients in the pot and simmer. And seasoning, sugar, then soy salt. Okay, enough. Turn off the heater and let it cool down. Once the cooked veggie have cooled, drain the broth and mix with mashed tofu. SHIRAAE with bamboo shoot and HIJIKI seaweed has done already. Yay! I'll introduce my favorite veggies and fruit for SHIRAAE. Vegetables number 1 is cherry tomato. Number 2, hard-boiled okra. Number 3, steamed sweet potato. And fruit number 1 is grape. Number 2, pineapple. And number 3 is strawberry or blueberry. And you can enjoy this mashed tofu as a dip sauce for fresh veggies. When you look at this, don't you feel this is similar to something? That's right. It's hummus, a traditional Middle Eastern dish. It was about 10 years ago that hummus was introduced to Japan as a superfood. When I learned how to make it, I realized it was very similar to make the tofu dressing of Japanese SHIRAAE. And I was impressed such a similar dish could exist in the Middle East, even though it's so far from Japan. I guess even though our countries and customs are different, delicious and healthy cuisine has some commonalities. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!